Hello everybody, this is an update on the diesel heater which I reconditioned over 3 days ago, as you've seen in previous videos. Now, it's now come to my conclusion, because it didn't work properly and it was giving an error 8 and an error 10, and this is the reason why. As you can see here on the gasket is split, is broken, drawing in air, thus enriching the fuel and thus causing a lot of carbon. As you can see, the carbon is really thick just after 6 hours of use. Now, it was smoking, and I thought it was a fuel pipe, so I replaced all the fuel piping, and still the same problem. But now I know. Now I have the problem is the gaskets. The gaskets will have to be replaced, make it airtight. As you can see, all the soot is really coming off. Even though it didn't give much heat, I used a lot of fuel, it still didn't work. It still shut down after a while. So I'll get back to you again on reassembly. Bye for now.